Hello friends, today I am going to share with you a case of extremely acute renal colic solved using simple homeopathic tools. This is a case of a 29-year-old suffering from severe acute renal colic. A colleague referred him when he was having acute pain on 8th of July 2020. He wanted me to talk immediately as the pain was extreme. His consultation was done at around 11 pm. Renal colic is a condition which comes in top 5 most painful clinical conditions. He says walking is just impossible. The pain was worse if he bends over, and he used to feel better by lying on the back, and if he goes and passes stools, the pain was better. The patient's temperament also seemed to be irritable with the pain. This much data was sufficient enough to arrive at the remedy. He was advised to take the remedy every 15 minutes, 4 doses. After 2 doses, he passed stool and the pain reduced by 11:45 pm. He slept well that night without pain. Next full day there was no pain at all from that night when he received the remedy. This is the USG report done on 25th of June 2020, and it shows a renal calculi. Then after 1 week of the remedy, that is on 16th of July 2020, he again gets a sonography done which says absolutely normal sonography and there is no evidence of renal calculi. This shows that acutes can be managed effectively with homeopathy. The secret of getting such result is about getting the right or the exact or the accurate symptoms. The patients need to observe their symptoms meticulously and report exact symptoms to their homeopaths. Secondly, during the acute, the patient must contact their homeopath because the symptoms become more clear, which helps the homeopath to fine-tune their prescription. This will help the patient for their chronic complaints as well. Observe your symptoms accurately, visit your homeopath during the acute, and help yourselves.